Okay, and Jane stopped the video because the power of the nose. I'm pretty sure she did it on purpose. Uh, she's such a silly thing. But she's a good thing. She's a smart thing. And she buried her bone in a blanket. Lovely. Lovely. I love my dog. Really, I do. Oh, well. But I love y'all. You're important. And Jane's important. And all y'all are beautiful people, and I love you. And this is One Tough Chick signing out. Be watching for craft fair events and what have you that I'm participating in. I will announce that here and on my Facebook. And I need to change my Facebook link because I lost my original Facebook account because I got zucked. But them's the breaks, and that's how it happens, especially when you choose to be real with people. But I will see you on the flip side. And hopefully the next time I talk to you, it won't be blizzardy outside. Oh my God. It's like, frickin' what the heck. Rainstorm all day, blizzard all night. Oh, before I sign off here, my first ever craft fair is going to be in Independence, Missouri, at Truman High School. Thank you, Jane. Don't turn my camera off again. And it is a benefit for their girls wrestling team. So come on out and show your support. If you happen to be in the area, I'd be very happy to see you guys there. March 15th, Independence, Missouri, Truman High. I would love to see any of you guys there. Let's go support those girls that want to wrestle. Love y'all. Go do something nice for somebody. Small, random acts of kindness. Those make the world go round, babies. I love y'all. Go be awesome.